pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Karen. I am finally doing this video on BoxyCharm Premium. It has arrived a few days ago. I asked you guys on the community tab if you wanted to see an unboxing. 96% of you did. So, after the long wait and then getting the wrong box in the beginning, I have to say though, BoxyCharm did take care of it. They did send me out. They let me keep the classic one they sent me, and they did send me out a replacement box. So I'm very happy about that. I am getting it late, and you guys pretty much know what's in here already, but I think there is different variations. I got variation 13. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. You know what that means? The Dragon Beauty is in here. Yes. Okay, so we all know that these brushes are in there, and the value is like $65, and I think a lot of us have problems with that. But here are the brushes. I will probably try these out and see if I like them or not. I would never have paid $65 for them, but okay, so that's that. Then we've got, what is this? QMS Intensive Eye Cream. You know what's weird though is that some of the lettering is coming off on this. That's weird. I don't know if you can see it, but it's supposed to say day and night, and the night word is basically scratched off. But it is sealed, so that's good. Okay. What is this worth? $150? What? Okay. Okay. Then we got Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. That is $25. Let's see. Yeah. This looks good. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, I don't like that smell. Definitely don't smell no coconut. It smells like kind of rose something. I don't know. Okay, so we've got a Becca lip gloss in Champagne Cream, and that retails for $22. Here it is. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Ooh, there it is there. I'm not going to swatch it or put anything on because I don't know if I'll keep it. Next, we have Dragon Beauty. Okay, so this is supposed to be the color corrector, and it's $25. I've been dying to try this. Nikki Tutorials has used this in a couple of her videos. I'm dying to try it to see what it does. Like, for real. I'm curious. So, I'll have to be trying that. And we've got the last product is the Natasha Denona palette, and I am so excited for this. This makes that box so worth it. This retails for $55, and I have seen it. It's not a BoxyCharm exclusive. I've seen it on Beautylish for $55. So it's like, oh, okay, look at that. I am so in love with this palette. Oh, I'm loving this little plastic thing they've got here. Ooh. Feels like silk. It feels like silk. Oh my gosh. Wow. Glow Extreme. Oh wow. Okay. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm like so freaking excited over this. Let's see. How they swatch. Okay, yeah. Woo! I'm loving that. I cannot wait to use it. Yay! I also have another announcement for you guys. We are almost at 2,500 subscribers, so I will be announcing the giveaway that I'm doing for 2,500 subscribers, and it is the Norvina Pro Volume 2 palette. I'm so freaking excited to do this. If you guys are not subscribed, you will need to be subscribed, and definitely turn on your notification bell because you don't want to miss that. It's going to make a great Christmas present, I'm thinking, and I'm just excited to share it all with you guys. So I appreciate you so very much. You guys know that this was a $35 a month subscription, and I'm very happy with all of it. So I will be keeping most of it, I think. Some of it I might put in a giveaway for someone else to enjoy. But I appreciate you guys so very much. I love you guys so very much. And thank you for joining me for this video. I will see you in the next one.
Scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me.